I'm here with Grandmaster Harika Janavalli from India, who won the women's prize here at Grenke Freestyle. And Harika, by winning that, you qualified to next year's Women's Freestyle World Championship. How excited are you about that?
Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm extremely excited because it's been a while. I had a good tournament, so especially it came when I least expected. Because freestyle is something I've never played, be it online, be it like over the board. I
Never, ever.
never played. So when I decided to play this, I had my countrymate Praneeth who was teaching me. I asked him, "Can you teach me basics? How exactly it works?" And he was teaching me on the board for 10 minutes, and that's it. And I told
When
him,
did that happen? Shortly before the event?
yeah, maybe when I decided to come here, 1 month or maybe less than a month ago. So I asked him, and he used to play online, so he loves freestyle. So he showed me over the board, and that's it, the 15 minutes, and all that I knew. And then I told him, so if I ever become going to World Championship, then I will definitely tell his name. So I'm first mentioning his name because he's my first coach in freestyle. That's Praneeth Uppala, and I'm very happy and excited to be in the World Championship because World Championships are always special, whichever format it is.
And I mean, your first time playing freestyle, how did you enjoy the experience here?
I think that's the best part. I literally didn't have anything to expect. I just kept playing on the board and tried to give my best. I felt like a beginner, to be honest, as if I started chess for the first time. This is my first ever freestyle. So I started enjoying just chess and positions on the board, and that felt a little fresh for me after all these professional years because it's a new format and new style and nothing to prepare. I thought without preparation it will be difficult, but I realized actually it's quite good to not prepare and play. But yeah, it's also there were so many double rounds. I don't know when was the last I played so many double rounds. So everything was new for me. Everything I was not expecting me to do well because it's not my comfort zone in many ways. But yeah, finally everything went well. So I'm happy with the game quality also here.
Speaking of the game quality, which was your favorite game?
There are a few, but I would say with Levon, it felt special to make a draw with him. It's, as I told you, it's been a long time I played with really strong opposition. So this one, it's such a strong tournament. I got to play so many top players here. So yeah, I mean, I would say one special one with Levon.
And finally, in India, of course, you are used to having a lot of chess fans, big crowds. But here, for the European standards, I think there are a lot of fans. How did you enjoy the special atmosphere?
Yeah, there were so many actually people who were coming for the autograph before the games. It was pretty surprising because somewhere in the corner of the world we are playing this and so many people coming. It's really overwhelming, and also I think that also motivates us to do better. But yeah, I'm really I enjoyed my stay here. This is my first ever Grenke I played. I overall enjoyed chess, I think, in many which ways, be it the place, be it the organization, with so many people. I don't know when did I see so many people in one place for a tournament. So in every which way, it was a new experience, and I'm glad I could enjoy every bit of it.
Harika, we were so happy to be able to welcome you here, and congratulations once again on the top women prize and on the qualification to next year's World Championship.
Thank you so much, and thanks to the organization for inviting me here.
Thank you.